So first of all, many congratulations to you gentlemen that you get an interview call in the RMS. Thank you, sir. How was your stay? Sir, it was good. Where did you stay? Sir, I stayed at Cheludi. Okay, very good. So how was your journey? Sir, it was also good and comfortable as I was with my father. Very good. Okay, so we will take your brief interview. Please answer accordingly. So I first of all introduce yourself and your family members. Yes. What does your father do? Your mother occupation, about your siblings, and then I would like to know about your educational background. What was your favorite subject? What was not and why? Who was your favorite teacher and who was not and why? Okay, sir. So first of all, starting with my introduction. So my name is Aringor, and I am from Bhagwanpur, Dehradun. I'm 14 years old, and I am currently studying in class 8 in Doon Presidency School. And talking about my family background, there are 4 members in my family, including me. First of all, my father. My father name is Mr. Ashok Kumar Gaur, and he is an ex-army person. Secondly, my mother. My mother name is Mrs. Kanta Gaur, and she is a homemaker. And talking about my siblings, I have a younger brother. His name is Ayan Gaur, and he's currently studying in class 6 in the same school. And so, talking about my favorite subject is mathematics. I like mathematics because it is full of interesting sums, and I like to solve problems. And talking about my subject that I don't like, I don't, sir, from my side, I don't like Sanskrit because we need to mug up things and it is hard to read and write. And so, my favorite teacher. So my favorite teacher was Vinod sir because he teaches us maths with an interesting way, and that's why maths is my favorite subject. And talking about my teacher that I don't like, sir, I would not like to take his name, but I think didn't teach us with dedication and um, don't teach us properly. Okay. What do you want to become? So I want to become an army officer. And why do you want to become army officer? So as my father was in army, so he and I saw some officers in their uniforms. They always inspired me to be an army officer. Okay. Okay, so which rank in army is equivalent to the wing commander of Indian Air Force? Sorry, sir, I don't know. Okay. Now talking about your interest and hobbies, so tell us in brief. Okay, sir. So talking about my interest, I like drawing. I like to draw anime characters that I watch. And sir, about my hobbies, I like to play football and I also like to watch football matches. Okay, so you have mentioned that you like football very much, right? Yes, sir. So who is your currently favorite player? So my favorite player is Cristiano Ronaldo. Tell me any four qualities of him. So he's honest, he's dedicated towards his game, he's kind, and he's also fitness addict. Okay, what are the dimensions of the football field? Sir, it is about 105 by 68 meters. Okay, very good. Yes, sir. So, what is the difference between mental stamina and physical stamina? So, sorry, sir, I don't know. Oh. How do you rate yourself out of 10? Sir, I think I am the best and I would rate 10 out of 10 to myself. Okay, and who's your inspiration or idol? So, my idol is Cristiano Ronaldo. Okay. Tell the five qualities of your younger brother. So he's notorious. He's honest and he's also dedicated uh, towards his studies. He is disciplined and punctual. Okay. As you told that mathematics is your favorite subject. Yes, sir. Why is mathematics is your favorite subject? Sir, as I already mentioned, I like mathematics because there are many interesting sums in it, and I like to solve many problems. So tell me, you have mentioned that you would like to solve many problems. So yes, I am giving you some situation, right? Okay, sir. Okay. So this is a tripod. Yes, sir. Just beside us. So tell me any three uses of it. So it can be used to stand a camera as it is doing now, and um, it can be used by a disabled person also, and so that's all. Okay. So how many buttons did your shirt have? Sir, I am not. Sorry, sir. It is about 12 buttons in my shirt. They are the numbers. Tell me any three different aircrafts that are being used in the Indian Air Force. So, first of all, talking about the combat aircraft, that is Tejas and MiG-21, and secondly, sir, F-16, which is also used by Pakistan Army. Do you have taken any coaching for interview? No, sir. Sir, I took coaching for my entrance exam. I didn't. Just took guidance for this interview from my teachers. Okay. And why do you choose RMS Shield only? So I have chosen RMS chain only because it was near to my location, and I have heard that it is the best of all the RMS, and the it is also it is situated in Himachal Pradesh, which is the neighboring state of Uttarakhand. So it would be easy for me to adjust here, as there is not that much difference in the climates.
What are the similarities between Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand?
Sir, there are sir in winters there is snowfall in hilly areas in Uttarakhand as well as in Himachal Pradesh, and sir, there are many rivers flowing through Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, which make it cool and fertile. So that's all.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Aryan, what does your father thinks about you?
So I think he would describe me as a disciplined and he would describe me as a disciplined, self-confident, and a punctual boy.
Okay, who is your best friend?
So my best friend is Shivam.
What he thinks about you?
So I think he would describe me as an honest and a helpful nature boy.
Tell me any situation.
Sir, I help him in mathematics because he's not that much perfect in mathematics.
Okay. Tell me your daily routine too.
So, first of all, I wake up at 5 a.m. and then do some physical exercises for half an hour. And then I do study for 1.5 hours as my annual exams are going on. So then, sir, I have, after that, I have a proper bath and then go to my school after having breakfast, and approximately 3 p.m. I come back and then go to my tuitions after having my lunch, and so after coming back home I play for 2 hours and then study till the dinner is ready, that is about 10 p.m. And after that I have my dinner and watch news for half an hour and then I go to my bed.
Okay, what are your weekend routine?
So my weekend routine is that, sir, I become lazy at weekends. So sir, I wake up about at 8 p.m. Sorry, 8 a.m. So then I have a proper bath and have my breakfast. And so after that, I go to play with my friends in my society. And after coming back, I have my lunch and then take a rest for 2.5 hours. And so after that, I go to play. And so after coming back, I study for 1 hour and then watch TV with my television with my family, and also also watch news for half an hour, and then I go to my bed.
Okay. So do you have any girlfriend? Not that type, means just a friend.
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, yes, sir. I have many girls as my friend.
Okay. Describe about your father and mother bond.
So they love each other very much, and they care. They care both. They both care us a lot and try to fulfill our needs of my brother and me, and always mm, are always are careful about us.
Okay. So what are your strengths and weakness?
So talking about my strengths, I am punctual, self-confident, disciplined, and a fitness addict boy. And talking about my weaknesses, I am not too fluent by speaking in English, and I become lazy at weekends and holidays.
What are you currently doing to improve your English?
So to improve my weakness, I daily read newspaper so that it would improve my vocab and also the communication skills. And secondly, I try to run 5 to 10 kilometers in weekends and holidays to make it productive.
Okay, very good. Okay. Why do you want to join Indian Army only, not Air Force and Navy?
So as my father was also in Indian Army, so I want to join Indian Army.
Right. I don't think that's a proper reason for that question.
Sir, also the uniform of officers that they are wearing of army always inspire me to be an army officer.
Okay. Where is the Northern Command of the Indian Army?
Sir, I don't know.
Okay. What is the name of the battle tank that is being used in the Indian Army?
Sir, T-72 and T-55.
Very good. So how did you spend your spare time?
Sir, I spend my spare time by giving it to my family, and also I go out with my friends to play, and I also play football in my spare time.
Okay, so I would like to hear from you that how are you involved in your society with others?
Sir, I don't get that much time to be in my society as I go to coaching of RMS and Scenic, but now I will be very well known to them.
Okay. So for how much time you have done the coaching?
Sir, I took coaching from I have been taking coaching from 6 onwards because I have given exam for this RMS and Scenic in 6 also, and then for RIMC also, and then I have tried for ninth also, and I'm selected, and I'm sure about that I will make it this time.
Okay.
Have you ever lied to your parents?
No sir.
Never ever.
No sir.
I don't think that's the truth.
Yes.
No sir. I'm here.
In not in childhood.
Sir, I don't remember that.
Okay. So tell me any situation that you were most harassed at your life in your life.
By anyone. By your parents, by your.
By your own doing. Anything.
Sorry sir, I'm not remembering it now.
Okay.
So how does the Western culture influencing our culture?
Sorry sir, I don't know.
Okay. Whom do you love most and why?
Sir, I love both my mother and father because they care me a lot and always try to make me happy and uh, and didn't say no to my full that I need. They didn't say no to what that I need. Yes.
Okay. So tell me in brief about India and Pakistan relations.
So they have not been good from the starting after the partition. But India always tries to make it better than it was before.
Do you remember any situation or year particularly when India is doing more to become friendly?
Sorry, sir.
When was Kargil War happened?
Sir, it took place in 1999.
Okay. And which date?
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
Have you ever listened about Vijay Divas?
Yes, sir.
Why it's celebrated?
Sir, because when we won in the Battle of Kargil, then it was celebrated. After that, it has been starting. It has been started to celebrate in India.
Okay.
Okay. What are the consequences of the Kargil War?
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
Okay, tell us the 5 names of the Indian officers.
So first of all, the gallantry officer, Major Vikram Batra, and this our old CDS General Bipin Rawat, and the current CDS General Anil Chauhan, and also the Army Chief General Manoj Pandey, and the answer uh, General Ajay Sheikh.
Okay. So it was nice talking to you. All the best for your results.